In this tutorial, I'm going to present to you the top secrets for unlocking your inner drive. Everyone suffered from a lack of motivation. Those periods in your life when you don't want to do the vital project, even though you know that by finishing it, it will open the door for future happiness and fulfillment. Here are some secrets for unlocking your inner drive during those times that you lack motivation. Secret number 1. Just show up. While it always feels better to feel motivated about your tasks, it isn't something that is necessary. If you want to wait around for inspiration to strike, you could end up waiting an extremely long time. Most successful people don't wait until they feel motivated. They just show up to work and get on with it. Just showing up will often lead to inspiration and the motivation to continue. Secret number 2. Acknowledge the power of accumulation. Often we overestimate the amount of work we can get done in a single day and underestimate the amount of work we can get done by consistently chipping away at a task. Spending just 15 minutes on a project daily for a month can yield significant results. When it comes to unlocking your inner drive, consistency is the key. Secret number 3. Build a habit. The most effective way to embed consistency in your life is to create a habit. To start to build a pattern, block out a specific amount of time during the day that works for you. Then practice doing your essential tasks during that time until it becomes completely automatic. Secret number 4. Remember, nothing great is ever simple. When it seems difficult to get going on a task, remind yourself that if it were easy, everyone would be doing it. The harder you have to work at something, the higher your sense of satisfaction will be once you accomplish your goal. Secret number 5. Conquer your fear of failure. If you consider yourself a perfectionist, your motivation may be undermined by the fear that what you produce won't meet your expectations. If you finish your work and put it out to the world, you are making yourself vulnerable to judgment, criticism, or rejection. To protect your ego, you make sure that you never quite finish. Don't let perfect be your enemy, and learn to allow things to be less than ideal. Even the most perfect work is useless to the world if it's sitting in your desk drawer. Everyone needs to find a way to unlock their inner drive if they want to find success. Learning and incorporating these secrets for unlocking your internal drive can get you on the right track for success.